Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching this vlog again. Yeah, we're gonna repair this apartment. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are here again on the job. Another vlog for the construction rough vlog. Alright, we are here. We already pick out these. I'll start videoing later, okay? I'll take out all of these stuff from out here. We clean this area out. Now we hear some sound after knocking out that police and nails. We're gonna repair here. Notice this thing here? Yeah, a spring in here. Not good, man. Yeah. This is Ansel the man. We're on the job, man. Alright. That is the man. Got the mirror. He always together. Alright? See? Trying to pick up this piece. Alright. Yes. So we're gonna take out all of these and repair this thing. It's damaged. And we're gonna give it a good look when it's finished. And this here sinking hole. Yeah. Sink right down. I have a deep sink right here, so we're gonna fix it. Alright. See this piece come out now? Alright. Yeah, man. What's looking good? And this ply. This ply was done by some guy before. It's full of termite. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna get some pressure treated. We're gonna get some pressure treated. We're gonna get the thicker ply. That's a 3/4 one. Alright. So let's go along. You'll see what is going on here. Like the video, man, and you'll see the end of this one again. Huh. You notice we are fully here. So when we finish, we're gonna fix this. Look at this. It's hanging in mid-air right here. But you don't worry. We know exactly what we're gonna do with it, eh? Look at it. Alright, see there? Good. Alright. Big up on yourself, peeps. Thanks for viewing. Thumbs up the video. So, if you notice what they did here, look at it. See how they catch that up? That it must not go down. It sink. It sink right here. You know, sink. So they put that piece there to hold it up. Alright. Okay, now the bowl is out from this area here now, so I'm gonna take out the ply. No, I already cut this board here to take out the hair over here and leave this hanging in the air just like that. Alright, so that is what we are doing. So we're gonna give this thing a very, very good look when we are finished with it. Very good look. See me? Thumbs up the video. Alright. Ansel there. Thumbs up, Ansel. Yeah, man. Thumbs up, man. And we either do this. You can see the finish of this thing here. Pretty. Yes. Kitchen cupboard. Gotta be making for that side too. Alright.